All right, guys, so we left off and we're working on this one, number 6 here. And this is where we figured out that the trapezoids are the two bases in this because they're also two, if you think about it, they're two planes that run parallel to each other. So that's what we're looking for when we're looking for a prism and looking for its base, okay? It's what it kind of rests on. It's what it's going to be, two parallel planes. So for this one, we have to figure out three separate things. We have to figure out the height between the bases, the perimeter, and then the area of the base. So the height between the bases is going to be right down here. That's going to be 15. The perimeter of the base, well, it's kind of all given, but it's not really written on one trapezoid. So we have 20 here for this length, and then we have 18 up here for this length. So we're going to add 12, 18, 20, and 23 together. And when we do that, we should get 73. All right, and then the last thing is the area of the base. So that is going to be 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2, because that's the area of a trapezoid. So when we're finding that out, it's going to be 1/2, and then the height, since we have a right angle down here, that tells us that our height is going to be 12. So our height's 12, and then our base 1 and base 2, this can be base 1, and up here this 18 can be base 2. So it's just 23 plus 18. All right, so when we do that, it should give us, make sure you plug the 23 plus 18 in your calculator first, multiply that by 12 and divide it by 2, and that's going to give you 246. So we are trying to find the surface area. It is just going to be HP plus 2B. So 15 times 73 plus 2 times 246. All right. So doing that, that gives us 1,095 plus 492. And then we get a total surface area of 1,587 feet squared. So that is our total surface area there. All right, so guys, I am gonna move past 7 and 8. They are on the notes key. Those are ones that I'd like you to do on your own, and then check the notes key and see if you got them correct or not. And if you don't know why you got them incorrect, that's what the Zoom session is for. Join the Zoom session, and when I ask if you have any questions, we can go back over these, okay? But I want you to try those on your own. So moving on to cylinders. With cylinders, we have this long formula down here. And basically that is from, if we took a cylinder, all right, like the one we have right there, basically to find the total surface area, we're looking at two circles. That would be the top and the bottom, all right? And then the space in between is a rectangle. So that height right here, that would be this H right here. That'd be that side. So that's kind of what we call the net. All right, if we just kind of pull that 3D shape apart and made it two-dimensional, it's two circles and then a rectangle. So for this one, what we need to know is right down here, the radius and the height, okay? So we are going to find the radius and the height, and we should be good to go. In this one, pretty simple. Radius is 11 and height is 26. So our surface area formula is just 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r height